So, you're about to facilitate your first case-based learning session. Let's get right into it.
That's the big question, right? It's all about teaching how to think, not just what to memorize.
So, what's our goal here? It's about applying science and building real professional skills together.
And this really shows the difference. We're moving from just hearing facts to actively using them. Okay, what's your job in the room? Super important. You are a guide, not a lecturer. This is your number one tool. You're there to prompt curiosity, not just hand out answers. And your tone really matters. You want them to explore, not just hunt for the one right answer. You'll be drawing in the quiet ones, managing the dominant ones, and just keeping things on track. So what does a session actually look like? Well, it's got a pretty clear 4-part flow.
First step, the start. You'll begin by just setting up the team and their roles for the day.
See, each student has a specific job. This makes sure the group really works together effectively. Then you'll reveal the case, but only piece by piece, based on what the students ask for.
Now, this is where the magic happens. They'll track facts, form ideas, and find their own learning gaps.
And it all wraps up with the group asking itself, how did we do, and how can we improve? Of course, the student's role is just as important. They have to come prepared and participate respectfully. To make sure it's a safe space for discussion, we use something called ROPS. These 5 principles create an environment where everyone feels like they can actually contribute. Now, you're probably wondering, how is all this assessed? The answer might actually surprise you. The number of grades given in a CBL session? 0. It's purely for learning and practice. Yep, the whole focus is on feedback, not grades. The goal here is growth, plain and simple. You'll give constructive feedback on things like their reasoning, professionalism, and, of course, teamwork. So just remember, it's all about the process, not the final product. You're coaching the journey. So the real question for you is, how are you going to spark that curiosity in your students?